I'm going to proceed the same way, okay? But in this case, I'm going to pipette 1 milliliter of 3 molar NaOH. I'm using another pipette into this case. In this case, this is my NaOH solution. Okay. Okay, so after I have done so, adding 1 milliliter of 3 molar NaOH to beaker number 2, make sure it is mixed together, okay? And the same way I did for the HCl, okay, added to the buffer. I'm going to take the pH of this solution. Have the pH I can write down in my lab book. Okay. Okay, for beaker number 3 and 4, you are going to measure and add 16.1 milliliter of boiled water, okay, into each one of them. I have my water here, okay, I already boiled it. Okay, now, okay, I'm not going to perform this part, but I want to tell you what you do, okay, to finish up this experiment. You add the boiled water, 16.1 milliliter of the boiled water to beaker number 3 and beaker number 4. Okay, after that, you pipette, okay, 1 milliliter of 3 molar HCl into one of the beaker, okay, containing the dilute buffer, okay, mix. Then measure and record the pH. Okay, you do it for beaker number 3. You're going to add you add 1 milliliter. Pipette 1 milliliter of HCl to the beaker number 3, and then after you have done so, you do the same thing for beaker number 4. But the only difference in beaker number 4 is that it will not be the HCl solution. You're going to pipette 1 milliliter of NaOH, okay, and add it to beaker number 4. You record the pH and write it down into your lab book. But note that for those two, you have to repeat the addition, okay, recording the new pH after each addition until the pH has changed by 1 pH unit. And also make sure you rinse the pH probe within each measurement. After you finish your lab, you always have to clean up. Make sure you rinse, you clean the beaker, okay, the pH meter, the pipette, everything you use for this lab, and put them back to where you get them from.